Welcome to another episode of EThekwini News in 60 seconds, your weekly roundup of municipal news that matters. In a bold move towards transforming the commuter experience, EThekwini Municipality Mayor Councillor Cyril Xaba officially launched the Public Transport Information Centre to provide commuters with reliable and accessible information about Durban's public transport system. EThekwini Municipality, Inkosi Albert Luthuli International Convention Centre and Ushaka Marine received national recognition at the Local Government Good Governance Awards at the Local Government Indaba 2025 for best practices in good governance and financial management. Durban and KwaZulu-Natal are set to be positioned as a major automotive hub after the city was named the host of the South African Auto Week 2026, taking place from the 13th to the 16th of October 2026. That's it for this episode. Catch you next week.